Welcome to our delightful world of cake decorating creativity. Our YouTube channel is your ultimate destination for all things cake related, where sugar and artistry come together to create mouth-watering masterpieces. Whether you are a seasoned pastry chef or a baking enthusiast looking to elevate your skills, our channel is here to inspire and guide you on a sweet journey of confectionery excellence. Join us as we explore the mesmerizing art of cake decorating, one delicious creation at a time. Our dedicated team of cake artists and bakers are passionate about sharing their knowledge, tips, and innovative techniques to help you transform simple cakes into edible works of art. From classic designs to avant-garde concepts, we cover a wide range of decorating styles and themes to suit every occasion, from birthdays to wedding and everything in between. Expect step-by-step tutorials that break down complex designs into manageable steps, making it easy for both beginners and experienced decorators to follow along. We also dive into the world of fondant, buttercream, edible colors, and sculpting, showcasing the tools and ingredients you will need to bring your cake visions to life. But our channel is not just about tutorials, it's a celebration of creativity and inspiration. We will introduce you to the latest cake trends, share industry secrets, and highlight the most awe-inspiring cake artists from around the world. You will discover new flavor combinations, cake design,